It's the most popular adventure bike at the moment from BMW, the GS series, and now the new R1300GS. But the one thing we didn't like was the stock exhaust, and therefore we changed it to Akrapovic. Of course, because that's the go-to when you have a motorbike or a BMW motorbike. And look at it, it's just beautiful. We only changed the slip-on, so the headers and the filters are original. The volume doesn't go up that much, but the sound is a lot deeper and a lot sportier. It also adds 2 horsepower. Yeah. But more important, it adds almost 5 Nm of torque in the lower RPM range. That's exactly the point where you want to be for the GS series. Besides that, more than 9% weight savings. What else do you want? The sound. If you'd like an Akrapovic system for your new GS, go to the dealer nearby and give us a follow at GP Products.